people talk about fairness creams, and so are they like really worth it, or do they actually work?
Okay, as a doctor, I never promote skin lightening. I am a core believer that you have to love your skin, love your color, okay? Because this is something which is very, very close to my heart. In fact, we have worked on a campaign with HUL where, we
Oh,
have removed the term of fair and lovely, so it has now become glow and lovely. So I think for a youngster, I mean, this is what we need to work upon. We need to change this thing that fairer is beautiful, right? Because it's skin color which you are born with. It is something which you have inherited in your life. So first advice would be, just cherish it, love it. This is something which is yours, and it does not require any validation from an outsider. So that's number one point. Number two point will be, when there are conditions where because of some reasons there is unevenness or there is pigmentation, there are lentigens, there are sunspots, there are melasma, there are different conditions, where you can have unevenness. And I feel every human has a right to look even healthy skin, is what my idea would be. So even if we all are brown, so today someone will be light brown, which we consider in India as fair, someone will be dark brown, but we Indians are brown people, so let's accept this fact first of all. And there is no end to this. Today you might think you are the fairest, but if you go somewhere else, someone else is more fairer. So first of all, just get out of that particular thing, right? So as I told you, if there is a concern, if there is a problem, we need to address it. And definitely we have solution for that, where we have topical applications, which can be non-steroidal basis and steroidal basis, where which can really give you good result. But again, I would advise you, don't blindly follow, because on Instagram you see ki this oil makes you fair or this serum makes you fair. I
yeah.
don't know what do they mean by that. In fact, legally, medical legally, there should be a strict action. But now, sadly, in our country, money is more important than the compliance part of it. But don't go via these myths. These are just a myth. Nothing in this world can make you fairer, but what they can do is they can restore your natural and your best skin melanin formation, that is the pigmentation, and that is happens only when there is even skin color. Your skin is hydrated, when your skin has glow onto it, and that will happen only with a good skincare routine, right? So yeah, there are topical applications which can help you when there are concerns. But overall, if you're seeking out to become more fairer, this is very lame, and I think we as medical professionals do not promote that.